Good morning. Below I present for task 4 oral production, preparing my job interview. Okay, could you tell me a little about yourself? Okay, my first name is Juan. My second name is Sebastian. My last name is Delgado Martinez. I am 28 years old. I live in Agua Azul City in the Casanare department. I like listening to music. My favorite genre is rock. I love practicing to piano. I do it well. Okay. Why do you want to work for this company? Okay. I would like to express to you that I am a person who is very committed and to responsibility, punctuality, and teamwork, always being open to dialogue, collaboration, and willingness to do everything necessary to carry all decision making to obtain the better results went objectives are to meet. Okay, what are your goals for the future? Of the moment, I am studying as postgraduate degree in industrial engineering. Then I am going to study a master degree in industrial safety, a doctoral degree in project management, and all good. What are your greatest strengths in when it's okay, and I am good at performing numerical analysis. I am good at inventing new ideas. I am good at comparing results. I am not good promoting events. I am not good confronting other people. Mm. Okay, can you tell little bit more about the skills that you transfer from your previous line of work to our department here? Okay, my professional skills are analyzing data, analyzing problems, and adapting new procedures. I am good at of money. I am good in compiling statistics. Very much. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet you.